Hi, my name is Hussein Osman. I'm a product manager at Lattice Semiconductor. I'm here today to talk to you about Lattice sensAI stack. It's a flexible stack to enable deployment of AI on edge IoT devices. The demo I have to show you here today is using our ICE40 UltraPlus device with a CNN accelerator running within the ICE40 UltraPlus. An IR sensor and an IR LED is used for the demo to detect gestures, and we're detecting an open hand, closed hand gestures. So the demo goes as follows. If I put my hand above the sensor, the LED turns green with an open hand. When I close my hand, the LED turns blue. For more information regarding this demo and Lattice sensAI stack, visit our website, latticesemi.com. Thank you.